This little espresso maker from DeLonghi is just absolutely the best. Let me give you a quick tour. It comes with everything you need. Really neat grinder, beans here. So power switch back in here. You need to hit to get everything engaged. And then everything powers up. You can set 1 or 2 espresso shots on your grind here. This controls based on the darkness of your coffee bean where you want to be. There's a simple guide in the instructions. You simply take, all of this is included by the way, simply take this tool here, put it in, push in, and it grinds. Then this thing removes, and then it goes up in here. You lock it, and you just hit OK again, and off you go. You can control Americano. I haven't done Americano yet, as well as just hot water and a cold brew, which is really interesting. Again, I have not done. Frothers here. It will not froth while it's cooking. It can't multitask that. But you just simply hit this button when you're done. It takes maybe 3 minutes, and you've got froth milk. There is a little toolbox up in here. It comes with a single serving cup here. I've got the double cup in here already. It comes with the tamper, as well as your water reservoir in the back. Easy remove here. They do recommend that you keep fresh water in it daily, so I try not to put too much in. And that's it. It's just a really great all-around machine. Highly, highly, highly recommend it. Makes homebrew real simple.